I tried the top 4 matcha powders so you don't have to.
Hey Matches! Marami kasi nagtatanong kung ano ba daw ang best matcha powder for homemade matcha lattes. So I bought the top 4 best-selling matcha powders on TikTok Shop to put them to the test to see which is best. Wow, nag-rhyme. Puro ceremonial grade pala yung binili ko. And I'll be preparing all 4 brands the same way para fair. This is my personal recipe and I use warm water because hot water makes the matcha taste bitter daw. And feel free to use your sweetener of choice. I used the bamboo whisk to mix until frothy. But you can prepare this in a glass with a frother as well. I used regular milk lang din pala because that's what I have at home. And if you have better tips for a cooler looking pour, pa-share naman guys. Okay, so here's a smear test to compare the smoothness and color of each brand. And kita naman yung difference from the 4 powders. I arranged the 4 brands based on price. So tignan natin kung may difference ba talaga sila in terms of taste. Starting with the most affordable matcha powder from Zen Fiber. I want to note na may weird thick texture yung matcha when I was whisking it. As in siya lang yung ganun because the rest were more watery.
It still has that gritty texture kahit whisk ko na siya na todo-todo. And it still has that bitter, grassy aftertaste that culinary grade matcha has. It is the cheapest, so gets naman kung bakit ganun. It's still better than some culinary grade matchas, but I feel like may mas masarap pa dito.
Definitely not recommending Zen Fiber, even if it's the cheapest, so let's hope Nutrifines tastes better. I was able to get this na buy one get one pala, with 1 ceremonial grade and 1 culinary grade matcha pack.
This is a lot more smoother and it has so much more body than the first one. It also doesn't have an unpleasant aftertaste, so this is pretty good.
Okay, mukhang nag-i-improve naman yung quality as the prices go up, and I think Little Retail has the most number of products sold. So tignan natin kung worth the hype and price ba siya.
Medyo malaki yung difference na to from the first 2. Very nice creaminess. And meron siyang deep flavor na alam mong good quality matcha siya. And I feel like it's naturally sweeter kasi I use the same amount of sweeteners for all of them. I think this also has the most units sold on TikTok Shop. And it lived up to the hype. Masarap. I feel like a lot of cafes use this brand.
And finally, yung pinakamahal is Superfood Grocer. So let's try it to see if it's worth the price.
I'm trying to not be biased kasi this is the most expensive. Pero siya talaga yung pinakamasarap. Honestly, mas masarap pa siya than some cafes who have mid-matcha. And if you can make a better matcha latte for a fraction of the price, ba't ka pa bibili sa labas, diba? Really good flavor. Hindi siya bitter, but it's not sweet either. It just tastes really good. After tasting this, I don't think bibili pa ako ng mas mura. Of course, my review is based off my preference. Some people like this more, some people like this more. Kanya-kanya naman tayo. Personally, I think the Superfood Grocer sells the best matcha. It is the most pricey, pero worth it talaga siya. This one, I wouldn't spend my money on.
Honestly, I wasn't expecting the 4 brands to be so different from each other. Kasi kala ko pare-parehas lang yung supplier nila. Char. And surprisingly, my Instagram followers have the same taste.
This isn't sponsored, but I do have an affiliate link for TikTok Shop. So if you want to try these matcha powders out, tap the yellow basket below.